Hello children, how are you all? Once again we are here and today we are going to learn something new. Yes, all of you look on the board. Seeing the things you have come to know that today we are going to learn, right? Yes, my house. But here we are not going to learn about a house. We are going to learn things, that is articles which we use in a house. Correct children? So all of you look here. Yes, seeing at the picture you have come to know what we are going to learn. Yes, bathroom articles. Articles means what? The things which we use in bathroom are called bathroom articles. Okay children. Now the first picture, all of you look here. What is that? Soap. All of you repeat after me. Soap. Again, soap. And where do we use soap? For what we use? Correct. We use soap in the bathroom to take a bath. We bath with a soap. And when we want to wash our hands, we apply soap. And then we clean our hands. Right children? So for that what we use? Soap. And when you get up in the morning, the first thing what you use is? Yes, you brush your teeth. To brush your teeth, what we need children? Correct. We need toothbrush and a toothpaste. Yes. So what we use to brush our teeth? Yes, we use toothpaste and a toothbrush. All of you repeat after me. Toothpaste and a toothbrush. And after brushing your teeth, when you have to come to school or you have to go out after brushing your teeth, what do? Yes, we take a bath. So what is this children? Bathtub. What is that children? All of you repeat. Bathtub. Once again you are going to repeat with me. What is this? Soap. Again, soap. Then for brushing we use toothpaste and a toothbrush. And this is a bathtub. Yes. Now here we are having kitchen articles. Kitchen articles are the things what we use in a kitchen. And which is the place? Yes, it is a place where mummy cooks the food, right? So the place where mummy cooks the food, we call it kitchen. Okay children? So all of you look here and tell me what are the things which we see in the kitchen. What is this? Correct. It is a gas stove. What is that children? Gas stove. And what mama does? Yes, she keeps a vessel and she cooks food on the gas stove, right? So all of you repeat after me. Gas stove. Once again children, gas stove. And if she wants to boil something or if she wants to prepare a rice or a biryani, what she use? Correct. Cooker. And when it blows out, you can hear the sound, right, of a whistle. Yes. So what is that children? Cooker. All of you repeat after me. Cooker. And what is this? Yes, we have learned this rhyme. That is, I am a little teapot. So what is this? Yes, it is a teapot. What is that children? Teapot. Once again you are going to repeat kitchen articles with me. Okay. Gas stove. Again children, gas stove. Then cooker. Again cooker. And what is this? Teapot. So what we are going to do children? Yes, again we are going to revise it once and then you have to be with your mother and you have to study well. Okay. So first we are going to revise bathroom articles. Bathroom articles are the things which we see in the bathroom. Okay. Soap. Soap. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Bathtub. Bathtub. Now kitchen articles. Kitchen articles are the things which we see in the kitchen, right? Okay. Now all of you repeat after me. Gas stove. Gas stove. Then cooker. Cooker. And teapot. Teapot. So children, what you are going to do? Yes, you have to be a good children and you have to study well. So you have to practice this at home. Next time when we meet, I am going to ask you different articles used in bathroom and kitchen. So study well. Thank you.
Dear students, do remember to hit that like and subscribe button and press the bell icon too.